When I look straight, my upper eyelids fold over, extra skin covers my lids. Hooded eyes. Eyes look smaller, tired, less open. Do this. I'm not a makeup artist, just a busy mom of 3. I'm not misleading you, just creating a visual effect with shading, 2 brushes, eyeshadows. If I can do it, you can too. Let me tie my hair up so we have more space and I don't mess up my hair. Starting with my 3 secret weapons. First, under-eye tape or pre-made stickers. Why? Creates a larger canvas, sharp lines, protects from fallout. We are extending the lid because my eyes are small and look even smaller with hooded lids. Second, Urban Decay primer portion in Eden. We need this because it's crease proof and has color. Covers the whole lid with high coverage eye primer, not the same as concealer. Third, Essence Soft Touch Mono Eyeshadow Shade 1, White Matte. Super cheap but so useful. We are setting the primer. White makes space look bigger, creates a perfect blank canvas. Real Techniques base brush for this step. Wait until you see what happens when we add the first color. Using Colourpop All Amethyst palette, gorgeous matte and shimmers, going colorful this time. With my Real Techniques blending brush, picking this light mauve pink shade. Since my natural crease is only visible when I lift my brows, I look straight and start above the natural crease. First gentle strokes, then faster to blend. Going into the crease and outer V to extend the lid, blending well. Your folded eyelids are still there, but we've created an optical illusion by lifting with shading. See how different this eye looks with just one color. Doing the same on the other eye looks a bit funny now, but trust the process. The next shade creates serious depth. This is where the magic happens. Now with the same blending brush, picking this darker cool tone purple for depth. Blending deeper into the crease and outer V. Repeat strokes. Sometimes gently pack if the eyeshadow isn't well pigmented. Matte eyeshadows done. Now with a dumb finger picking this beautiful lilac shimmer. I always apply shimmers with fingers. Warmth of the skin picks up just the right amount. Packing gently on inner corner and center of the lid to open the eye to the max. Eyeshadow done. But the lifted look depends a lot on the next few steps. This eyeliner trick I learned from a makeup artist changes everything. Here's a pro trick. When makeup artists need colored eyeliner on stage and don't have it, they mix eyeshadow primer with colored eyeshadow. Get a waterproof cream liner. Mixing my primer portion with this dark purple shade using Thin Essence eyeliner brush. Following the line of lower lashes with the under eye tape, it's easy to create a long wing. Winged eyeliner helps create a lifted look and overall lifted face look. The color is a bit lighter because our primer is beige, but I love it. Almost done with eyes, but these last 2 steps make the biggest difference. At Risk Lash Curler first and then mascara, my best investment for 2025. Absolute dupe for Too Faced Better Than Sex in chocolate brown. Primark Extreme Lash. My lashes are short and sparse, this gives volume and length. Only €4. I have thin sparse brows, but today just using this She Glam 3-in-1 laminating gel. Little spoolie with colored gel, comb and brush. Gel keeps them firm and lifted. Brows done. The rest of the face done quickly but strategically for maximum lift. Removing tapes, cleaning under eye area. Very important step, good moisturizer as skin prep. It is called Skin Gets Dry. Using Sukin Moisture Restoring Night Cream, very rich and moisturizing. Apply generously, never forget the neck, it shows your age. For smooth glass-like base, Catrice Blur Poreless Primer. Smooths even under-eye wrinkles and fine lines and makes them less visible. My favorite. Crease Invisible Cover Foundation shade 37W with damp Sosu cosmetic sponge for natural look. Tiny bit of Catrice Camouflage Concealer shade 1 lighter than foundation. Applying only on spots to lift, inner corner towards nose, outer corner around mouth. Blend with Mini Revolution sponge. Setting whole face, especially under eyes, with Guerlain Meteorite Pearls in Clear. Miracle for 40 plus skin instead of setting powder. Bronzer for additional lift. Benefit Hoola higher on cheekbones, around forehead, sides of nose. Placing everything higher. Blush 2. Too Faced Cloud Crush in Golden Hour. Beautiful pigmented pink with golden shimmer. An amazing smell. Cheeks but higher, sides of forehead, bridge of nose, chin. The Balm Mary Luminizer Mini. Super glowy champagne shade. Underbrow bone. Inner corner for additional light, Cupid's bow, bridge of nose, gentle swipe on cheeks, top of forehead, chin. Lip combo. Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner 60, palest pink. Just outlining lips. On top, Superstay Vinyl Ink in Koi. Shake well, apply evenly. Gorgeous pink, goes great with this amethyst eye look. Iconic London Glow Spray. Skin looks dewy and glowy. And this is it. Call it optical illusion or visual effect, but we are not all born with perfect large eyelids. Some of us need to learn how to trick nature. I hope this lower tutorial helped you understand each step better. If you tried part 1 and struggled, give this version a go. Practice makes perfect, and remember, I'm just a busy mom who learned this through trial and error. Thanks for all your support, for watching and your kind comments. It means a world to me. See you soon.